Kidding aside, I can't store my quads like that any longer, so I designed these quad hangers. There's 3 different sizes in the Thingiverse file: 5" 3" and 2". They'll probably work for an inch either way. This is a 5" on a rooster, 3" for a Japalura, and then this is a little 2". They need printing with support just under here, and a single screw with a wall plug into a plasterboard or drywall wall, or something else rigid that you're going to mount it on. Hope you like them. Hope they save you a lot of space like they do me. Catch you later.
You Billy. Hey.